All right, we're going to get right into it. Hopefully this works. We are going to make a little nameplate for our artifacts. And the first thing you do is you bring in a block. You make it a certain size, like this. Now, one thing you want to do is adjust this thickness. It's too thick. So we're going to bring it down to about 5 is pretty good. Okay, next we can take some text out. So we got to put our object name in. So let's say if we were making canopic jars, boop, we'll put that in. And we want to resize it. Now, if you just do this, it gets all weird. So you hold down Shift, and now it maintains like the right thing. Okay, now we copy and paste it. We drop it in. We have it as the right size, more or less. And we're going to do your name. Good. And if you want, you can even go put the date. So we'll do that. Do 2025. Cool. And don't worry, this is all not aligned right now, but all we need to do is click this button and align it. Whoop. And align it. There we go. Looking good. Now we need some holes in here for screws or nails or something. So we're going to scale this down to about 2 by 2. We're going to zoom in on this so that we can select this node here so that we can make it bigger. And we want it at least 5 because that's the thickness of our thing here. We'll drop it down a little ways, and now we definitely are going through the thing. We're going to duplicate it. We're going to just bring it on down like so, just like that. And now we're going to select that other hole at the same time by holding Shift. We're going to duplicate that, Command D. And we're going to delete that, actually. We're going to click this. Oops, let's focus in. It's too small. Duplicate that. And now, using the arrow key, just slide it on over. Get it in the corners. And we are good to go. Now, the last thing we want to do, take all of it and group it. Now, I have my own nameplate for my object. Looks pretty good. Kind of move around so you can see the holes there. And that's it. Now all we got to do is go to export and STL, and then send that file to me, and that's it. Good luck.